Hello everyone, I'll show you how to make the best ice cream I ever seen, and then you will really love it. So you have to put the juice. You have to make the ice cream full over there, and you have to make juice. Yes, and you need to make juice, over there, and then a little bit, and then mix it up. And you'll taste it, and it'll be yummy. Look, I'll try it.
Yummy?
It's yummy. That's so yummy. Thank you for watching. I hope, like, and subscribe, and link in the comments on what you want to add a video next. And totally, I just put the location, and then you'll might see me. And I play Roblox. And my ID is TELTRA5D5F5.